Let's go across to our research desk then and get in some stocks and news this morning to focus on, as well as some small and mid-cap stocks which will be on our radar. Come to you first, Megha, for the stocks to watch out for.
Well, Tanir, a very good morning, and look out for OBC and Canara Bank. Media reports are indicating that HSBC, which has an insurance JV with these two banks, might actually look at exiting its stake in the joint venture. It's a three-way joint venture between Canara and OBC, where these two banks together hold close to 74% stake, and HSBC is actually looking at completely exiting that JV there. So let's see how these two banks really react to that bit of news. If you look at the counters there, both of them have cracked significantly. In the last 1 month, in fact, OBC has cracked 17% there, so keep an eye on that one. Look out for Eicher Motors, and they have a 50-50 JV with Volvo, which is called BE Commercial. Now, this JV is looking at investing close to 1,000 crores in India over the next 2 years. The capital essentially would be used for expansion of the current facilities. Of the 1,000 crores, 350 would be used for setting up a plant in Madhya Pradesh, which would manufacture Euro 4 compliant engines there. So, a bit of positive for Eicher. If you look at the counter, there has given a 48% return on a YTD basis, but trading below that 20-day moving average.
For mid and small cap stocks, let's go to Yatin now. Morning, Yatin.
Good morning, Nikunj. The first stock to focus would be Aptech for sure, because ace investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala yesterday via exchange bulk deal has bought nearly 11 lakh shares from the open market at a price of little over 70 rupees per share. Do remember Aptech surged nearly 11% in yesterday's trade. Now, after this purchase, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala will up his stake from the threshold limit of 37%, the stake would go up by another 2.44%, and RBS was the counterparty to the deal. So, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought out RBS's complete stake in the company, and, the stock has almost bounced from the 52-week lows of 64 rupees. So, technically, bounce back is expected. This is what most of the dealers are talking about. Apart from that, we have SKS Micro, which is continued to be being in news. The company has shut nearly 78 branches in Andhra Pradesh, and they have laid off 33% of the workforce in Andhra Pradesh. They have asked 1,200 people to leave operations in Andhra Pradesh. This is a bid to move and consolidate the operation in Andhra Pradesh and move the headquarters to Mumbai, because the company is trying to deleverage its portfolio from the Andhra Pradesh region. So clearly this could be a positive for Andhra Pradesh, because the expenses is what could be curtailed via this layoff and restructuring. So we'll keep an eye on SKS Microfinance after this corporate action.